Anye man Ibu Miligalanon, one Miligalanon wo, Gawanunte. Even that was a Miligalanon, and Kiz Mamokanade, we on, Ogalanon. Manobrazinke, 250. Obrazinke, 300, 700, 750. Organic go. I go the other time. I go Mundias and one the other time. Say, open a more Bolugi Dibia, Abia Becky. Open a more Bolugi Dibia, Abia Becky. Where be a second call, you test. Macavana and your mother test. I go get Abia negative test. Millie Kugo tell Becky, Millie and Rollo Gabia negative test. On a double mother, Bia Becky call Rollo call. They go no on the cake, I go eat at Twatch. Check it, check it. Makanebe bo mwa boy yo. Mwa bo mwa boy. Nage Japan ni mwa Dibia. Mwa Dibia. Ama ka Dibia kanka. Ibo bo kene mwa Dibia. Mwa Dibia. Enwe libe bu Dibia. Nge mwa bo mwa ya. Enwe libe bu Dibia. Ke libe bu Dibia. Dibia ba Agwu. Dibia bu mili. Dibia ba alose. Ba bu Dibia. Nge mwa bo mwa Dibia.
This stuff is so relatable. It don't happen to me because nobody even say I wouldn't charge too much before, right? I feel just say make I just add 50k to a big work, right? But what if you can't jump? The thing can be like, because of you, you can't pull up, can't doing work. Actually, a woman actually came to me and told me make I reduce the money for going to water forum. Anybody way I don't work with since after that time, if tell you say what I say is yo. Now you go use your hand. Talk with you one put for me. Whether not for Alpha. I've been the middle for somebody's work and the person just gave me 1k because I insist that I'm going to get something from it because the time when I go Alpha for person wait till date, she never even give me anything on top because it was an emergency for her brother-in-law, like maybe her father-in-law because she not even married, right? Now her boyfriend, father, I can't go for them. Wait, the man can't die a few days later, but I get issues. I had an ocho from that event, and me I believe say as well because I didn't get any pay from that. So I've gone to work for somebody and all she could give me on top because sometimes you could just stay at a low and all she could give me on top was 1k and I'd be like, okay, I know what now. More can ML. So because it's possible that there have been people that because of money that I added on top of my own, they didn't work their work. So you want to align with your Mmuo. They brought you to come and work with me to help you, to help guide you. And now because of me, because of my own interest, because of money, and I'll be like, I will not do your work. Nothing like that now. Anything we I did do for this, it got more thing for this small position where I did now. Ijilaka ojo sweet naka. Yota. You get my guy now, where be say I tell him this thing now. In be like saying the thing say this thing what they do. Now normal business. No be normal business. No be normal business. This is not a person within spirit. This thing not a person within people. I no go fit come tell you say give me money. I go be like see my problem. See my problem because this is not what I'm going to be doing for. I'm building my own business as well. So very relatable by Miriam Willow. Good talk. And also the part now where person go come out and say just yesterday a guy called me, one of my clients and friends called me and they was like, yo, the stuff what they say they do. Say what's up, say that thing. They go one other woman and the woman they talk say never even do anything. I can't just declare and say, yo, first of all, yeah, are you getting any signs that she been not using more tell me say things they go well after the first thing we don't do? So are you getting any signs that the stuff that you are not chill with your people? Is there any sign Then I can't even come ask her how much she can't tell you for this thing. You can't talk like 350 or 400k, 350k. And I'm like, but me now, I don't ever tell you that full money for my life. For all the things that we don't even do self. If you add all the things that you don't work, have you done that amount of money? So people they mad though. People when they name alone, so people know they fear spirit though. Me, they afraid of spirit though. Like respect. You know what I'm saying? They afraid of spirit. Spirit feel change your mind to go here or there. Like the least thing where the energy where they go send to you. Like so they respect spirit though, bro. And when I'm on so on that one.